Home and family.
Where is your home?
My home is in a small town outside of the city. It's a two-story house with a big backyard. I've lived there with my family for many years. We like it because it's spacious and comfortable.
Who lives with you at home?
I'll live at home with my parents and my younger sister. My dad works as an accountant and my mom is a teacher. My sister is still in high school and is on the track team. We all get along well and enjoy spending time together.
What is your favorite room at home?
My favorite room at home is the kitchen because that's where we gather as a family. We have a big kitchen table where we eat meals and talk. My mom likes to cook and bake in the kitchen. It always smells good in there.
What chores do you do at home?
At home, I help out by keeping my room tidy and doing dishes after dinner. I also take out the trash and recycling when needed. Occasionally, I mow the lawn and help with yard work. Doing chores is part of contributing to the household.
What do you like to do for fun at home?
For fun at home, I like listen to music, reading books, and playing video games in my room. Sometimes I watch movies with my family in the living room too. I enjoy relaxing at home after school and on weekends.
Do you have any pets at home?
Yes, we have two pets that live at our home. We have a friendly yellow lag dog named Daisy. She loves to play fetch and go on walks. We also have a tabby cat named Oliver, who lies napping in sunny spots. Having pets makes our house feel more lively.
How would you describe your family?
My family is very close-knit and supportive of each other. My parents work hard but always make time for us. My sister and I don't always get along, but we look out for each other. Overall, my family is loving, fun, and provides a positive environment.
What is your favorite family tradition?
My favorite family tradition is our weekly family game night on Fridays. We take turns picking fun board games or card games to play together. It's a nice way to unwind and spend quality time together at the end of the week. We always have a lot of laughs during game night.
What is your favorite family meal?
My favorite family meal is Sunday dinner. My mom will roast a chicken or make a lasagne. We'll sit together for a nice meal and talk about our week. Having an evening family dinner on Sundays is a great tradition.
Why family important to you?
Family is important because they provide love, support, and comfort. I know I can always count on my family. We share a bond and history together. Family shapes who you are and how you see the world. I'm grateful for my family.
Traveling.
Where do you most want to travel? I really want to travel to Europe and see places like London, Paris, and Rome. I'm interested in the history, architecture, and food. I hope to go on a European trip someday and hit the major cities. There's so much to see and experience across Europe. What is your favorite way to travel? My favorite way to travel is by train because you get to see the scenery go by. Train travel seems more relaxing and enjoyable than flying. I like looking out the window, sitting back and watching the world pass by on a train ride. Trains make travel feel like part of the adventure.
Where was the most interesting place you visited?
The most interesting place I visited was New Orleans because of the lively music, culture, and food. We did a bayou tour in the swamps, explored the French Quarter, and learned about voodoo. New Orleans has such a unique vibe and personality unlike anywhere else. It was an eye-opening trip.
Who do you usually travel with?
I usually travel with my family or good friends who I enjoy spending time with. Sharing experiences and making memories with loved ones makes travel more meaningful. Traveling as a group also provides company and safety while navigating new places. Familiar faces make travel more comfortable.
What is your dream travel destination?
My dream travel destination is Bora Bora because of the tropical climate and peaceful ambience. I'd love to stay in an overwater bungalow and look down into the crystal blue waters. Spending time on a tranquil island paradise seems like the ultimate relaxing getaway from daily life. It looked like heaven on earth.
What is the best vacation you ever took?
The best vacation I took was a road trip up the California coastline all the way to Oregon. We drove the Pacific Coast Highway, stopping at beaches, hiking redwood forests, and eating fresh seafood. Driving up the coast was an amazing way to experience the diversity of the West Coast's natural beauty. Unforgettable views around every corner.
Where do you like to stay when you travel?
I like staying in small boutique hotels when I travel, for the cozy, personal vibe. Boutique hotels provide charm over big chain hotels. You can find some that are historic, themed, or family-run. Unique little hotels make travel more culturally immersive. I've had great stays at some charming boutique spots.
What is the most beautiful place you have visited?
The most beautiful place I've visited is Hawaii, specifically the island of Kauai. We hiked through bright green tropical valleys and kayaked down a peaceful river. Kauai is called the Garden Isle for good reason, with lush rainforests, cascading waterfalls, and breathtaking cliffs. The natural beauty of Hawaii is unparalleled.
What souvenirs do you like to buy when traveling?
My favorite travel souvenirs to buy are decorative magnets for my fridge as mementos. Magnet collecting is a simple way to remember places I've been. They don't take up space, and I enjoy seeing where they came from displayed on the fridge. They bring back great memories when I glance at them. Easy souvenirs with sentimental value.
Why do you enjoy traveling?
I enjoy traveling because it lets you experience new cultures, perspectives, food, and scenery. Traveling opens your eyes to how large and diverse the world is. It pushes you outside your comfort zone. You gain memorable stories to take home. Travel makes you appreciate home more while broadening your horizons.